Welcome to Celeb Court Files, the channel where we break down Hollywood's biggest legal battles with all the drama, receipts, and real talk. Today, the ongoing saga between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni just got a massive new twist. Taylor Swift is officially the surprise star of the show. Newly unsealed court documents filed in Manhattan Federal Court on January 20th, 2026, reveal explosive text messages between Lively and Swift that shine a spotlight on their close friendship, Lively's alleged on-set struggles, and the pop superstar's sharp takes on the director. This isn't just gossip. It's evidence in a high-stakes harassment and defamation war that's already seen millions in claims, dismissed suits, and postponed trials. If you're hooked on celebrity legal drama, the power of female friendships in Hollywood, or how private texts become public bombshells, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into every detail of this unfolding story. The legal firestorm started with the 2024 film It Ends With Us, Colleen Hoover's best-selling domestic violence drama. Blake Lively starred as Lily Bloom and also took a producer role, while Justin Baldoni directed and played Ryle Kincaid. The movie grossed over $340 million worldwide, but behind the scenes, tensions boiled over. Lively accused Baldoni of sexual harassment during production, alleging inappropriate comments, boundary violations, and a coordinated smear campaign to damage her reputation. She filed a California Civil Rights Department complaint in December 2024, claiming retaliation after raising concerns about the film's handling of sensitive themes like abuse. Baldoni fired back hard. He sued Lively and her husband Ryan Reynolds for $400 million, alleging defamation and extortion, and that they hijacked his film with unauthorized script changes and pressured the studio. He also targeted the New York Times over an explosive December 2024 article, "We Can Bury Anyone," inside a Hollywood smear machine, which detailed Lively's allegations and quoted confidential documents. Baldoni claimed the piece was riddled with inaccuracies and relied on Lively's one-sided narrative. A judge dismissed Baldoni's suits against Lively, Reynolds, and the Times in June 2025, citing lack of merit. The Times countersued Wayfarer Studios for legal fees. Lively's main harassment case against Baldoni was postponed from March to May 18, 2026, as discovery ramped up. Enter Taylor Swift, the global superstar who's been Lively's close friend for years. Their bond goes way back. Lively directed Swift's "I Bet You Think About Me" music video from Red, Taylor's version. Swift's song "My Tears Ricochet" featured in It Ends With Us trailer, and Ryan Reynolds confirmed in 2024 that Swift is godmother to their daughter James, Inez, and Betty, plus son Olin, born 2023. The women socialize often, attend Chiefs games with Travis Kelce, and share deep personal support. The unsealed documents, hundreds of exhibits filed Tuesday, include private texts that pull Swift directly into the fray. In April 2023, Lively texted Swift calling Baldoni, "This doofus director of my movie," describing him as a clown who thinks he's a writer now. She vented about production chaos, asking Swift to review script changes for authenticity on sensitive topics. Swift's responses showed solidarity, offering notes and encouragement. Fast forward to December 2024, days before the Times article dropped. Swift sent Lively a screenshot of a People magazine post where Baldoni discussed past sexual trauma from a relationship. Swift's message: "I think this bitch knows something is coming because he's gotten out his tiny violin." She likened the situation to a horror film no one knows is taking place. Lively replied appreciatively, calling Swift the world's absolute greatest friend ever. These exchanges, per Lively's team, show real-time concerns about harassment dating to spring 2023, concerns Wayfarer allegedly ignored or retaliated against instead of investigating. Lively's lawyer Sigrid McCauley stated, "The newly unsealed evidence shows concerns documented in real time as early as spring 2023, and Wayfarer understood them as sexual harassment concerns. The evidence documents how Wayfarer refused to investigate but attempted to bury Ms. Lively and others through retaliation." Baldoni's attorney Brian Friedman countered, "The evidence does not support the claims as a matter of law." A simple read of the newly released message exchanges makes the truth abundantly clear. "We remain confident in clearing the names of all Justin Baldoni parties." Swift was subpoenaed in May 2025 after texts surfaced in Baldoni's filings. He sought her deposition, but a judge denied it in September 2025, ruling it unnecessary. Her involvement highlights the support network Lively leaned on, friends who allegedly saw red flags early. Other unsealed messages include actress Jenny Slate describing the shoot as really gross and disturbing, saying, "I'm one of many who feel this way. This isn't just about text. It's about power dynamics in Hollywood." Lively claims Baldoni weaponized PR to discredit her after she pushed for script changes emphasizing women's empowerment and abuse realism. Baldoni says Lively and Reynolds bullied him, rewrote scenes without approval, and used star power to control the narrative. The Times piece amplified Lively's side, leading to countersuits and fee fights. The drama reflects broader industry issues, handling sensitive topics like domestic violence, protecting vulnerable actors, and navigating fame's glare when allegations go public. Swift's texts add emotional weight, showing loyalty amid crisis, but also risk amplifying scrutiny on her private life. As the May 2026 trial nears, expect more unsealed material, possible settlements, or explosive testimony. Swift's role, while peripheral, underscores celebrity solidarity's double edge, support versus perceived bias. What do you think? Do these texts strengthen Lively's case or complicate it? Is this Hollywood accountability or high-stakes drama? Comment below. Like if you're following this saga. Subscribe for updates on celebrity court battles and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. This story's far from over.